Welcome back to LixelStudio software tutorial. In this video, we'll go through a brief introduction of the software interface and layouts. After installing the software, right-click on the shortcut and run as administrator. You can choose to create a new project or open an existing project. Note that Open Project function is limited to JSON files created by LixelStudio 3.0. Project JSON files from older versions are not supported. You can also choose to open up a quick save project or perform other options. Here, we'll create a new project for demonstration. If you're thinking of processing your raw data, we recommend that you create the project folder on a disk, with a free disk space larger than 5 times the size of the raw data. This is to avoid failures due to insufficient disk space during later project processing stages. Generally speaking, the more free disk space left, the less likely that you encounter hiccups during project processing. On the software interface, you will see the menu bar, data list, property window, data window, and the quick action bar. The menu bar at the top contains the main functions of the software and are grouped into 6 categories: File, Processing, Tools, Applications, Display, and Setting. In Settings, you can adjust the language and find the software log location in the General window. In the Activation window, you can check the license expiration date. Update window will notify you about the new updates. And finally, from the About window, you can see the current version information. With this button, you can switch between light mode and dark mode,